Today we're working on the Landcruiser 300 series. Remove the covers from the factory rails to reveal the bolts underneath. Using a 12mm socket wrench or bit, undo both bolts slowly and evenly, not one at a time, until they are loose enough to be removed by hand. Remove the factory rail to reveal final bolts. Using a 10mm socket wrench or bit, undo both bolts slowly and evenly. Silicone the bolt holes. Place the mounting brackets over the holes filled with silicone and place the mounting clip over the bracket so the holes are closest to the bracket. Use a hex key to tighten the 8mm bolts and washers down through the clip and bracket. After tightening all brackets, place the rails over the brackets and secure them using 10mm bolts and washers. Tighten the bolts using a hex key. Place the uni-strut nuts on the rails loosely fitted. Ensure all uni-strut nuts are lined up perpendicular to the rail. Using a socket wrench or bit, tighten the wind deflector to the front of the rack using 8mm bolts, washers and nuts. Lift the rack onto the rails. Ensure the uni-strut nuts have slotted into the bars channels and begin tightening them by hand. Ensure the rack is centered before continuing. Use a socket wrench to tighten all uni-strut nuts.